Are you tired of crash diets and extreme workouts that leave you feeling deprived and exhausted? Well, get ready to say goodbye to those old-fashioned weight loss methods because today, I'm going to share with you the secret to shedding those extra pounds painlessly, all within just 5 weeks. Hey there, weight loss warriors. Welcome to Living the Life, your go-to destination for all things health and wellness. I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we dive into a topic that's on everyone's mind: how to lose weight without the pain and struggle that often accompanies traditional methods. You see, there's a common misconception out there that losing weight has to involve extreme measures like starvation diets or grueling workout regimens. But let me assure you, that couldn't be further from the truth. In fact, with the right approach and mindset, achieving your weight loss goals can be not only achievable, but also surprisingly painless. So, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to lose weight painlessly within just 5 weeks. We'll cover everything from setting realistic goals to incorporating balanced nutrition, exercise, sleep, and stress management techniques into your daily routine. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to kickstart your weight loss journey and achieve lasting results. Let's dive in. Step 1. Setting realistic goals. Alright, let's kick things off with Step 1. Setting realistic goals. Now, I can't stress this enough. Setting achievable goals is absolutely crucial when it comes to successful weight loss. You see, crash diets and extreme measures might promise quick results, but they're simply not sustainable in the long run. Not to mention, they can wreak havoc on your metabolism and overall health. Instead, I want you to focus on setting goals that are both realistic and sustainable. One great example is aiming to lose 1 to 2 pounds per week. This may not sound like much, but trust me, it adds up over time. Plus, losing weight at a gradual pace is not only healthier for your body, but also more likely to lead to long-term success. Now, I want to emphasize something really important here. It's not just about the number on the scale. Sure, reaching your goal weight is fantastic, but what's even more important is improving your overall health and well-being. So, I encourage you to shift your focus away from short-term results and instead, think about the long-term benefits of adopting a healthier lifestyle. After all, true success is about feeling great in your skin and enjoying a happier, healthier life. Step 2. Creating a balanced diet plan. Moving on to Step 2. Creating a balanced diet plan. Now, when it comes to losing weight painlessly, what you put into your body is just as important as how much you move it. That's why it's crucial to focus on a balanced diet that includes a variety of foods from all food groups. First and foremost, let's talk about the significance of incorporating fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains into your meals. These nutrient-rich foods not only provide essential vitamins and minerals, but also keep you feeling satisfied and full for longer periods. Plus, they're lower in calories compared to processed foods, making them an excellent choice for weight loss. Now, let's discuss the concept of a calorie deficit. Put simply, to lose weight, you need to consume fewer calories than your body burns. This means being mindful of portion sizes and practicing moderation. One helpful tip is to fill half of your plate with vegetables, a quarter with lean protein, and the remaining quarter with whole grains. This balanced approach ensures you're getting all the nutrients your body needs while still maintaining a calorie deficit. Next up, meal prep and planning strategies. Trust me, folks, this is a game changer when it comes to staying on track with your weight loss goals. By taking the time to plan and prep your meals ahead of time, you'll be less likely to reach for unhealthy options when hunger strikes. Whether it's batch cooking on Sundays or prepping individual portions for the week, find a strategy that works for you and stick with it. Remember, failing to plan is planning to fail. So there you have it. Step 2. Creating a balanced diet plan. Focus on filling your plate with nutrient-rich foods, be mindful of portion sizes, and take advantage of meal prep and planning strategies to set yourself up for success. Trust me, your body will thank you for it. Step 3. Incorporating regular exercise. Now, let's dive into Step 3. Incorporating regular exercise. Folks, exercise is not just about burning calories and shedding pounds. It's about so much more. Regular physical activity comes with a whole host of benefits, including improved mood, increased energy levels, better sleep, and reduced risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. So, if you've been thinking of exercise as nothing more than a means to an end, it's time to shift your perspective. When it comes to designing your workout routine, variety is key. I recommend incorporating a combination of cardiovascular exercises, strength training, and flexibility exercises into your weekly regimen. Cardiovascular exercises, such as brisk walking, jogging, cycling, or dancing, get your heart rate up and help torch those calories. Strength training, on the other hand, helps build lean muscle mass, which in turn boosts your metabolism and helps you burn more calories even at rest. And let's not forget about flexibility exercises like yoga or stretching, which improve your range of motion and reduce the risk of injury. Now, I know what you might be thinking, but I don't have time to hit the gym every day. Well, fear not, because there are plenty of simple exercises you can do right in the comfort of your own home. Think of bodyweight exercises like squats, lunges, push-ups, and planks. No fancy equipment is required, just you and your determination to make positive changes. So, whether you prefer sweating it out at the gym or getting active at home, the key is to find activities that you enjoy and can stick with in the long term. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to reaping the benefits of exercise. So lace up those sneakers, crank up your favorite playlist, and let's get moving toward a healthier, happier you. Step 4. Prioritizing sleep and stress management. Now, let's delve into Step 4. Prioritizing sleep and stress management. Folks, I cannot stress enough the importance of getting adequate sleep for both weight loss and overall well-being. You see, when you're sleep deprived, your body produces more of the hunger hormone ghrelin and less of the satiety hormone leptin, which can lead to increased cravings and overeating. Not to mention, lack of sleep can also wreak havoc on your metabolism and energy levels, making it harder to stick to your weight loss goals. So, how can you improve your sleep quality? Well, one simple yet effective tip is to establish a bedtime routine. This could include activities like reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Additionally, creating a comfortable sleep environment by keeping your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet can also help promote better sleep. Now, let's talk about stress, the silent saboteur of weight loss. You see, when you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, a hormone that can lead to increased appetite and cravings for high-fat, sugary foods. Not exactly ideal when you're trying to shed those extra pounds, right? That's why it's crucial to incorporate stress reduction techniques into your daily routine. Whether it's practicing mindfulness meditation, yoga, or simply taking a few minutes each day to unplug and relax, finding healthy ways to manage stress can make all the difference in your weight loss journey. So there you have it. Step 4. Prioritizing sleep and stress management. By getting adequate sleep and finding healthy ways to manage stress, you'll not only support your weight loss efforts, but also improve your overall well-being. So make sleep a priority, and don't forget to take time to unwind and de-stress. Your body will thank you for it. Step 5. Tracking progress and making adjustments. Lastly, let's tackle Step 5. Tracking progress and making adjustments. This step is all about staying accountable and making sure you're on the right track towards your weight loss goals. First and foremost, I encourage you to track your food intake, exercise, and progress regularly. Keeping a food journal or using a tracking app can help you become more aware of your eating habits and identify areas where you can make improvements. Similarly, tracking your workouts allows you to see how far you've come and stay motivated to push yourself further. But here's the thing, weight loss isn't always a linear journey. There will be ups and downs along the way, and that's completely normal. That's why it's important to embrace flexibility and be willing to make adjustments to your plan as needed. If something isn't working for you, don't be afraid to switch things up and try a different approach. Remember, it's all about finding what works best for you and your body. Lastly, I want to offer you some words of encouragement. Staying consistent with your weight loss efforts can be challenging, especially when faced with setbacks or plateaus. But I want you to know that you are capable of achieving your goals, and I'm here to support you every step of the way. So don't get discouraged by temporary setbacks. Instead, stay focused on your long-term vision and keep pushing forward. You've got this. Click the link in the description to grab our recommended weight loss product. Now is the time to take control of your health and well-being by implementing the steps we've discussed today. Whether it's setting realistic goals, improving your diet, getting active, prioritizing sleep and stress management, or tracking your progress, each step is a crucial part of your journey toward a healthier lifestyle. I urge you to take action right now. Don't wait for tomorrow or next week. Start making small changes today and watch as they lead to big results over time. And remember, you're not alone on this journey. I'm here to support you every step of the way. Together, we can achieve our weight loss goals and live our best lives. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. And please, share this video with others who may benefit from the information. Let's spread the message of health and wellness far and wide. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, take care of yourself, stay motivated, and keep striving for your goals. You've got this.